If you want to make exclusive wallpaper for Samsung Galaxy S10, then this video is for you. Remember, using this method, you can make wallpaper for any device. And we're starting right now. This is Hassan Media. If you like unboxing, review, comparison, and creating exclusive contents, subscribe now. Open Keynote directly from here or from Launchpad. Then select black or white blank page slide. Select all and remove. Then go to document, custom slide size from here. Width will be 1080 and length will be 2280. Then press OK. Now we can see this is our S10 aspect ratio. Now this part is very important. Watch carefully. Now we will take a screenshot of Spotify because you can see it has horizontal line which is the edge of the camera. This is one border for camera to place the camera position accurately. This is the same with Google Play Store. So you can take a screenshot wherever you see horizontal line like this. Then take the screenshot of Google browser. See, this reloading sign is almost in middle position of the camera. So it will help us to position the camera space. Now send them to your MacBook. Now in Keynote, go to shape and select this circle and place it to the right corner. Make the height and width of the circle 80. Then drag Google Play Store to the Keynote. See, it automatically fits. Now double tap on the screenshot. Then send to back. Now the circle will be on the top of the screenshot. Now place it above the line. Now remove screenshot. Then drag Google Play Store to the Keynote. Now double tap on the screenshot. Then send to back. Now position it in the middle following reloading sign. Now change the circle color to red. Now remove the screenshot. Then save this file and export this image as JPEG. Now send this newly created JPEG image to your Samsung Galaxy S10 to check whether the camera position at right place or not. Now, if you open this image on your S10 from gallery, you will notice if the red circle is visible or not. Sometimes you will see the red circle is visible. That means you have to adjust the circle again. When it is on the right position like this, that means your screen is ready to make exclusive wallpaper. Now change the background color as well as camera circle color. Remember, at the end camera circle color will be black. Now go to shape. Select this real camera, adjust the size, then go to arrange and flip it horizontally. Now set it according to camera position and adjust it. Now select camera circle. Press Command and C on your keyboard to copy and Command and V to paste. Then put the circle on other side. Now change the camera color as you want. We'll make it black and gray gradient fill. Now go to shape and select this canoe. Again go to shape and select this water. Then copy and paste another water. Change the color of canoe. Change the color of water. Now select the pen to draw. Draw zigzag. Now copy and paste it. Now double tap and make editable. Now make a bit change and your wallpaper is ready. Now export it as JPEG. Now send this wallpaper to your Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. This is exclusive camera hide wallpaper. Now see, because of this wallpaper, people won't understand where is your front camera. Now set it as wallpaper, and the most interesting part is you can make your own camera hide wallpaper. In part 2 of exclusive wallpaper, we'll show how you can make all these exclusive wallpapers. Stay tuned for next video.